Charl at Harbor Youth Sailing Summer Camp. This camp was held June 30th through July 11th, 2014. This group of young sailors show themselves to be an advanced group, and therefore, the first day of the 2-week session, we did minor drills, jibes, comebouts, and figure-8 pattern for approximately a half hour, and then went into a half hour of racing with 3-minute starts, and over a period of another half hour, significant improvement was noted with all the sailors, and this was an outstanding group that thoroughly enjoyed themselves.
First mark rounding, first race, Monday. You don't have to jibe, just ease off the sails and go. Don't have to jibe, stay on that course. That's your start. Third race. Trim that main in. Okay, keep her moving. Boat speed. Trim it in and go. Okay, windward mark. Pushing a little after 11:30, so we're going to get these things off the water, get them cleaned up after one more race. I'm an obstruction, go around me. I said I'm an obstruction, go around me. Seconds. Nice start, guys. Beautiful.